Sanctuaries with rich wildlife are the characteristic of Tanzania. Tanzania is located on the eastern coast of the African continent. In 1964, a federal republic was established comprising Tanganyika, Zanzibar, and Pemba. This was named Tanzania. Let us learn more about location, extent, and boundaries.
Tanzania is located between 1 degree south and 11 degree 45 minutes south latitudes and between 29 degree 21 minutes east and 39 degree 25 minutes east longitudes.
It spreads over an area of 9,45,087 square kilometer. See color map and list the ocean and countries on its boundaries. Physiography. In the north, there is a vast plateau to the south of Lake Victoria. It is bounded by mountain ranges on the east as well as the west. Between the Indian Ocean and the eastern mountain ranges is the low-lying coastal area. Along the coast are located islands like Zanzibar and Pemba. Kilimanjaro is the highest peak, 5,895 meters ASL, in this country. Victoria, Tanganyika, and Malawi are the important lakes. Mwami, Pangani, Rufiji are the major rivers from the eastern part. Mesai Steppes is a grassland region. Climate of Tanzania. This country is located near the equator. The climate here is generally hot. Near the coast, it is hot and humid. Mean annual temperature is 32 degrees centigrade. The climate is cool in the high mountainous regions. Though the Kilimanjaro peak is close to the equator, it is a snow-clad peak because of its height. The easterly winds cause rainfall in the eastern coastal region. It is between 1,000 and 2,000 millimeters. In the mountainous region and in the central and western part, rainfall is between 500 and 1,000 millimeters. Let us study more about natural resources of Tanzania. Vegetation. In the mountainous region, we find forests with trees like mahogany and camphor. Trees on plateaus are not very tall. Grasses dominate the plains of Mesai Steppes. One finds a large number of coconut trees in Zanzibar Island and the coastal areas. Animals. Tanzania has a number of pastures. Grasslands occupy most of the area, which is known for its wildlife. Hunting has reduced the animal population. Hence, the government has established a large number of national parks and sanctuaries. This has restricted the indiscriminate hunting. The forests here are famous for chimpanzees. Serengeti National Park has a large number of animals like lion, deer, zebra, giraffe, etc. The Selous Game Reserve has elephants in large numbers. Hippopotamus, monkeys, rhinos, baboons, crocodiles, etc. are also found in these forests. Tourism has flourished due to the diverse wildlife. This has helped the economic development of the country. Minerals. Silver, gold, mica, coal, and iron ore are the minerals found in this country. Diamonds are found in Shinyanga province, while gold is found near Lake Victoria. Besides this, minerals like calcium carbonate, gypsum, rock salt, and phosphate are found near the lakes. Now, let us study about occupations in detail. Agriculture. Along the river banks, traditional agriculture is practiced. Recently, the government has started promoting commercial and cooperative farming. Wheat, rice, corn, sorghum, oilseeds, cotton, tea, coffee, tobacco, etc. are the crops cultivated in this country. Pemba and Zanzibar islands produce cloves and coconuts on a large scale. The Maasai tribe mainly practices animal husbandry in the grassland area. Fisheries. Fishery is practiced in different lakes, rivers, and the coastal regions, as also the deep water fisheries in the Indian Ocean. Industries. This country has manufacturing units producing fertilizers, cloth, cement, steel, sugar, etc. Dar es Salaam is a trading center, and a number of roads and railways take off from this in different directions. It is a major port of Tanzania. Textile mills are located around this city. Zanzibar is known for its footwear industry and canning industry besides the coconut oil industry. We shall learn more about transport and communication. Dar es Salaam to Tanga and Dar es Salaam to Arusha are the major roads, while Dar es Salaam to Mwanza and Tanga to Arusha are the important rail routes. The waterways along the coast as well as through the rivers are used for transportation. Dar es Salaam and Zanzibar have international airports. Trade. This country imports petroleum, machinery, construction material, food items, while it exports agricultural products, tea, coffee, tobacco, diamonds and mica. Cloves are exported on a large scale, and through this, the country's economy is strengthened. Tanzania's major trading partners are the Western countries like Great Britain, Germany, and Italy, as well as the Eastern countries like China and Japan. Tourism in Tanzania. The wildlife of this area is the main tourist attraction. There are a number of national parks in this country. Amongst them, Serengeti, Kilimanjaro, Arusha, Gombe are the major ones. The Kilimanjaro peak, several lakes, and the coasts are known for their scenic beauty. Therefore, the annual turnover of tourists is quite high. Transport and hotel business has flourished due to tourism. Let us study about environmental issues. Diseases like malaria, insomnia, resulting out of the nuisance of Tsetse flies, tuberculosis, as well as malnutrition are the problems worrying the country. In order to counter these problems, the government as well as non-government organizations have developed a network of medical services. Through them, attempts are being made to eradicate these diseases. Human life. Different tribes live in Tanzania. Among these, people from Burungi, Bantu, Sukuma, Masai, Makonde, etc. tribes are in large numbers. In the mountainous and plateau regions, population is sparse, whereas the coastal areas around lakes and riverine locations have dense population. In rural areas, huts are built with grass and thick rope. A wooden frame is fixed and the walls are plastered with mud. In the urban areas, modern type of houses are built with bricks and cement. The colorful garb that the ladies wear is called kanga, whereas the kikoi is the term used for the garment used by men. In towns, people use Western attire. Different items made of rice, wheat, and corn, along with meat and fish, are the normal diet of these people. Islam is the religion of the majority of these people. Dance and music are the preferred forms of entertainment. The Makonde people are also skilled at making masks, and Maasais are expert at making weapons. The settlements of the Maasai people have a characteristic pattern. These people are mainly engaged in animal husbandry. The cattle sheds are located in the central part of the settlement and the houses are constructed around them. Such settlements of Maasai are called kraal, Major cities in Tanzania, Dar es Salaam. This is an excellent natural harbour. It was the old capital of the country. The oldest and the largest university of Tanzania is located here. It has an international airport. It is a major centre for trade and transport. Dodoma. This city is located in the central part and is the new capital of the country. It is linked with Dar es Salaam by a highway. Zanzibar. This city is located on an island along the coast of the Indian Ocean. It has an international airport and is a natural harbour. It is a major trading centre for cloves and copra.